Hello. This video is part of a series outlining features of the BMS suite of accounting systems for Irish business from Business Management Systems. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a sales order using information from both customer accounts and product stock records already created, and introduce some of the features it offers. Having logged into the sales system, you will see the display shown on the screen. At the top of the screen, choose the Order icon, and this will display an order entry form. Choose the hourglass alongside account number to select an account number or enter the number if you know it. So we put in MAN. That will display any accounts with that as any part of the name. We would normally see a group of accounts here. We'll select the one shown, and it will fill in the information, name and address and so on, held. We can free type a delivery address if required here. In the case of a cash sale, for example, we could put in a cash sale account as the credit account and the details of the customer, cash sale or name in the delivery details. And then we will go down to delivery method, collect, advise, collect and so on. We'll say courier. Payment type, credit, cash and collection, cash and delivery, pre-delivery. We'll say credit. We're going to post it to this as a credit account. Payment method, post-dated check, 7/14/21 days, etc. Draft, not a check. In this case, nothing is applicable, so we say not applicable. Customer reference is usually a PO number. Underneath that, the sales area, John Brown is the current owner of this account, but we could change it to another by just clicking on, again, the hourglass here and picking another rep if we wanted. We leave it as it is. John Brown, accept. At the bottom we have options to enter email, phone number, and this is used or can be used later for marketing purposes. We wish to collect information generally from cash sale type orders. So we proceed to lines. The order will be automatically allocated. If we haven't entered email address or phone, it will remind us. And then we proceed into the product area. We can enter a product code. This is an alphanumeric code of up to 20 characters. We can enter the code, or we can search on the code or description. In this case, we'll say search. We get a selection of products according to the string we've put in. So we pick the first item, select that. So we see a free stock of 20 in the middle here. The customer is, let's say, ordering 15. The current 15 is available from stock, so it will apply that as current quantity, showing a zero back order quantity. VAT rate defaulting at 21% taken off the product file. The price at 25 taken off the product file. If we had a situation where we had agreed a VAT inclusive price, the V to the right would allow us put in, let's say, €30 as a VAT inclusive figure, and it will calculate down a VAT exclusive value. Cost price is drawn from the product and shown, and then the details are extended out on the right. When happy with the line, we just hit save and enter the next one. So here we'll pick another product. You'll see the third line, it's showing free stock to the right of 12. We'll pick that one there, select the item. We say the customer is ordering 20 of those. And it will take the 12 that we have in stock. We can change that and reduce it so as not to use all our stock. And the idea there being that we will supply the 12 if we put that in there, with 8 still to follow as a back order. The price is shown as €20. We leave that as the default price. The cost again is 15, and everything is fine there. So we continue to enter order lines very quickly, as you see, until we're happy. We'll see at the bottom the order value is shown as goods 525, gross profit 31%, gross margin of 246, and then at the back, the right hand side, the vatable amount 771, VAT total, and the total of the invoice value is 933. Well, this will in effect be the order value. So when happy, save the order. Is it fully priced? Yes. Order number allocated is 2. And at this point it gives an option to generate a dispatch docket, 1, 2 or 3 copies. So we say print, and that would be printed. And that completes the task of creating an order. We can enter another order. When we're happy, exit the program and complete the task. At any time then we can go into the control center. This is a way of seeing all the orders in the system. Click on the icon Show Orders and we'll see the orders entered. We can double click on any to go into it. This is the order we've generated. View and amend lines and exit out of that. We have a look at the other. View and amend lines and exit out of that. So this is a very convenient way of looking at orders, seeing the status of them at any stage as they progress through the system. We can pick an order at any stage. At the bottom you'll see options, order acknowledgement, picking list, dispatch note, dispatch and invoice separate, a dispatch note and invoice combined. The dispatch note and invoice separate will generate a dispatch note now, which will be followed immediately at the point of print by an invoice. A dispatch note under this heading will generate a dispatch note, and invoices will be produced in a batch run at a later stage. We can generate POs for orders that have a back order and require us to purchase in stock. At the top we see a price stock inquiry module, and this is quite a useful pricing search tool. So if we want to put in something like widget WID against the description, it will show all the items that are in stock. If we untick the stock icon at the top, it will show other items that are not in stock. We can click on any price along the side and it will show the pricing according to the system for that price level. And a very convenient way to search by description, by code or by product group for items in stock and show the price, margin generated, the price excluding VAT and with VAT. We can go directly to the product using the Product Amend button to make changes to the product details or to see a history. Let's have a look there. So again, we're looking at a product, we're looking at all the detail in a summarized form. Do I wish to save any changes? No. Movements per product. If we highlight a product, click on the movements button, it will show the entire sequence of entries for that product. So we order the product on a date in a quantity of 50. We have received 50 and they're now in stock. We take a different product, look at the movements there. You'll see we've ordered 20, received 20, and we've invoiced 15 to Business Management Systems. we double click on the transaction line, that will bring us in turn to the actual invoice where we can view the detail right down to the line detail and exit back out. So a drill down of information. And that completes our video today in how to create a sales order. Thank you for watching this video. If you are an Irish business looking to update or automate the integration of your sales invoicing, stock and debtors or creditors ledger, then check out some of our other module introductory videos, or visit our website at bmssoftware.ie, or call us now on 014505 277 and ask for a demonstration or for a professional consultant from our team to look at and advise on your requirements. Remember that you will be dealing directly with the producer of the software with the ability to tailor any solution to your exact need